welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my fried rice. These are the ingredients I'll be using to make the fried rice. Here I've got my fried meat, so I marinated the meat with chili flakes, some aromat, salt and mixed herbs. Then I just fried it straight, so I didn't bother boiling it or anything. I cut it into small chunks to make it easier to cook, and I just fried it. I deep fried it in oil. I've got the rice I'll be using here, and I've pre-seasoned and pre-cooked the rice. So I've seasoned the rice with some curry, thyme, some chili flakes again, some salt, some aromat, and some Maggi cubes or any seasoning powder that you're using. And another thing I do in my fried rice is I tend to marinate my vegetables before I start making the fried rice. So in here I've got some mixed veggies. I've marinated that in some chili flakes, some curry, some thyme, some Maggi cubes, some aromat. You're fine to use any seasoning that you like, and just put that down for a while. And here I've got my butter. I'll be using a little bit of that to start my fried rice. And the seasoning I'll be using, because everything has been seasoned and cooked to an extent, I'll probably just use a bit of aromat and salt to make it to the taste I want towards the end, if it's not already at that level. So in here I've got just a little bit of butter to start my fried rice with. I'll wait for that to melt, and then I'll stir fry my mixed vegetables in there. Yep, that's all melted. Then I'll just pour in my veggies that I marinated from before, and I'll just stir that. So I'll stir this till it cooks, and I'll wait for it to actually cook a few minutes. So you stir fry and let it cook, and it's starting to cook now, so I'll add my meat in because I want both of them to cook together. And I'll just keep stirring till it cooks to a reasonable extent. Now I've cooked my veggies to an extent, and I will add the rice. Now when you're adding the rice, I usually add the rice bit by bit, so I'll do a principle of like 3 spoons. Then I stir, just to make sure every bit of the rice gets seasoned properly. Like I said, you just add the rice gradually, and this is the end product of my fried rice. So I've added the rice and just bit by bit and stirred it in to make sure there's an even distribution. And then taste it, and if it's not good to your taste, you can add more salt, more Maggi. If the rice is a bit hard, you might need to add a bit of water. And yeah, that's our fried rice done. Thank you guys for watching today. Bye.